Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. I'm going to make a quick video about how to find any cryptocurrency token sending and receiving address on Coinbase, because I have a couple videos about it and I'm getting a lot of comments again and people couldn't find their wallet address. So first, I'm not making video how to transfer any token from other platform, but I'm just going to help how to find your wallet address. So first thing, we on Coinbase right now, and I have a clicked on a trade. Once you click on a trade, you will see all kind of cryptocurrencies are getting trade on Coinbase. So you can only send a token on Coinbase. The one is getting trade. Any token, any coin, or any cryptocurrency not tradable will not be able to send or receive. So now let's talk about how to find your wallet address. So here we have a list of the cryptocurrency and the tokens. So you have to find what coin, what token, what cryptocurrency you want to receive on Coinbase, or what currency you have it or you want to send. So each coin, each cryptocurrency have a different address. Like say, if we talk about the Bitcoin have a different wallet address, Ethereum have a different wallet address, Tether have a different wallet address, Solana have a different. So each one have a different wallet address. They cannot be same. So say you have some Shiba Inu on crypto.com and you want to transfer on Coinbase. So how you can do that one? So first you have to find Shiba Inu on Coinbase. So here I have a Coinbase. You click here. So from here, I'm on my laptop right now, on desktop or whatever, and at the phone app, it's gonna be a little bit different, but it's gonna have the same thing. You have to click on your coin or token, and I can see here send and receive. On your cell phone app, you will see little barcode and sending icon. You will see only icons, not send and receive. So you're gonna click here. So once you click here, you will see send and receive. So like send, if you want to send from here, you only able to send if you have it. If you don't have it, you cannot send. So now we're talking about the receiving. You click on the receive, you will see your barcode. You can scan from a phone, but I know we're using same cell phone or same computer to send and receive. So what you can do, that's your Shiba Inu address. And what you do, you just click here, it will say copied. You see check mark, that means it's copied. Now you can go to other platform where you have some Shiba. You can click on Shiba, transfer, send, and then you can paste your address and you will see preview and you will be able to send. So simple thing, how you can find your wallet address. So each currency, each token, each coin have a different wallet. You simply click on, you will see send and receive. You need to click on receive. And you will find your wallet address. That's all, quick and easy. Hope I give your answer. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.